In this section, we will cover using the Manage Files area of your D2R course. Now, I've started off inside of my D2R course, and I've gone to the Content area, and inside of Content, I basically have got a number of different options along the left-hand side. Now, we're used to going into creating items by going into a new module and new topic, but in this case, we're going to actually construct behind the scenes a series of folders that we're going to store our files that we have on our local desktop and upload into our course. So I'm going to start off by clicking on the Manage Files folder. And right now, there's nothing inside of this. If I purely was just uploading content, all the files would be disorganized and kind of just presented in here, but not organized. So we're going to start off by creating folders for each one of the weeks or each one of the modules or classes that you have that you run for your course. So I'm going to click on New Folder, and I break my class down into classes. So I actually have Class 1. And what I'm going to put at the end of this is the word folder, so that I know that this is actually a folder and not a content item. So what I'm creating here is not automatically being created in content. What I'm doing is building a structure behind the scenes that I can organize my files inside of. So I've got Save from Class 1, and I'm going to create another new folder, and I'm going to call this one Class 2. Now, I'm not going to go through doing this for every one of the weeks of my course, but I'm just going to do the basic 2 here in this case. So that's all that's involved with just creating this. At this point, all we've done is just basically created our files, our folders for this. But what we can do next is actually upload our files into these folders. So right now, I'm going to go to my Class 1 and click on my Class 1. Inside of it, it's empty right now, but I have a number of options across the top here and a number of options across the top in this menu. You'll notice I've got a folder called, or a option called Upload. If I click on Upload, that will allow me to browse my computer and find the file that I want to upload into that Class 1 folder. So since I've already gone in the previous activity and built all of my folders on my local computer and I've put all the files in it, it's very simple for me to upload those files. So literally the first thing I'm going to do is upload my syllabus. I'm selecting the file, and then I'm just basically going to upload it into my computer. So once I've clicked on the upload button, it gives me an option to browse. I can browse to my local computer, find my files that I'm going to upload, go into my Class 1 folder, and then select my syllabus. So select that file. Down here at the bottom I can choose Open, and I can choose to upload this, or at the same time I can choose to add another file at the same time. So I'm going to click on Add Another File, and now what I can do is, rather than having and going and uploading each file one at a time, I can actually take and upload all of my various files that I want to use for that 1 week. And if I click on Upload now, it's going to upload both of those files. It's going to store them inside of there, and you'll notice now I have these files stored inside of my course online, and I'm inside of my Class 1 folder. So what I can look at is, when I look at my folders, if I click on Class 1, I'll have all the files that I need inside of there already uploaded, and I can do this all very quickly rather than going through the process of uploading each file one at a time. So what the process here is literally to create the folders for them and then literally upload the content items inside of the course. By using the Manage Files option, you basically can more efficiently add the content into your course.